Hey YouTube, welcome back to the shop. So, I had to buy some new tools, and I'm going through a withdrawal from AVE, not making any tool reviews, so figure I'd do some. Also, a little update on the other stuff going on in the channel. Chainsaw intake manifolds and mountain bike damper haven't had much progress lately because my printer's been broken and I've been trying to get it to a state where it's not gonna have reliability problems anymore. So waiting on parts to show up, waiting on more parts to show up, and we'll get around to it. So let's have a little warm up looking at this 3/4 drive ratchet from the old Hazard Fraught. I fucking hate these things. Make it so damn hard to get in your damn tool. Yeah. So yeah, this 3/4 drive should be beefy. Not a lot of ratchets in there, but it's 3/4 drive. You don't need a lot of increments in your ratchet. Let's get the damn Jesus clip out if we can, without losing an eye. Oh, wow, this is a pretty simple ratchet. And it's not terrible. Like, have a look in there. Looks to me like they milled that out with an end mill. It was just a roughing end mill. It's got a bunch of lines in there from the chip breakers, but not that bad. And then they just broached that spline in there, looks like, based on the tool lines. Typical MIM'd metal injection molded little ratchet boy there. How is that held in? It's this looks like one of those, it's assembled once and then it's never coming apart again things, and I actually want to use this thing, so we're not going to break it. Unlike AVE, who seems to just fucking send it. Ow. So, detent in there. It's pretty, it's okay, the detenting. Thinking that this is going to be a pretty good design. It looks like, too, they made this head almost symmetrical. It's just got a little bit of a deeper dish here versus for the snap ring side. So at least it makes it easy for us to know which way it goes in. It doesn't matter which way it goes in for your clocking, because the whole ratchety bit rotates. So get the fucking Jesus clip back in. Oh, come on. Ah, fuck you. And this whole ass ratchet was only 20 bucks. It's a lot of steel for 20 bucks. But now we got the main event here. The Icon 36-inch 3/4 drive breaker bar. This thing's friggin' 90 bucks at Harbor Freight. $90 breaker bar. My feel insane. Oh, Jesus. Are you still... How's my framing? All right, framing. Finish getting this bad Larry out of here. Much easier. So, holy oh fuck. That's a big boy. D-temp ball. Man, they really put some work into that thing. Like, this whole tool for Harbor Freight. This thing actually looks pretty nice. They spent a lot of time polishing this thing. And like you can see, especially on this corner, I don't think they did that with a machine. It doesn't look that even where this blends in. So I'm thinking somebody hand polished this thing. They didn't get into this sweat groove, or whatever the hell you want to call it, or in the engravings. So that's normal. But like, my God, this thing's massive. Like, let me get my Sunex half-inch drive for comparison, which wasn't doing the trick for getting this axle bolt off, which is why I had to buy this. Oh no, not Sunex, Tecton, whatever. They're probably made in the same place. But hello, I might not even need to put a pipe on this. But you can also see this Tectron. I already bent it slightly. So let me reposition the camera and we'll see if I can't get this axle nut off my wife's car. All right, just for perspective, let me give you a glimpse into what the Sunex does for this thing. So like, I'm worried about losing my teeth. All right, baby. Oh my God, it's like not even flexing at all. Okay, that was my whole 150 pounds. Oh, I need a bigger pipe for this thing. Well, how about we try and deadlift it? Oh, I got it. Oh, boy. Volkswagen. Why? Oh, crap. There we go. Why 170 foot-pounds and red Loctite pre-applied to the bolt? Just why? I should have bought some 3/4 drive extensions. Whatever, we can get this with the impact gun next door. Shit, I was going to end the video after this, but now I'm too excited. I mean, I'm still going to edit this out, probably. Fuck yeah. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Focus, you fuck. There we go. That's why I couldn't get it out. I think they factory stripped this. I might need an outer CV. Let's get the paper towel. Shit. It's factory stripped. Damn it, Volkswagen. I might need an outer CV. Good thing I bought a new bolt. Yeah. I think I see why it was hard to remove. Yep, we need a new outer CV too. Fuck my life. Now I'm gonna get copy striked.